Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1, and today I will show you how to clear credentials. So starting off, we're gonna open up the settings app. So pull down the notification panel and it's this little gear icon right here. So just tap on it. And from here, scroll down to security and location. And then again, scroll down into encryption and credentials. And you should see at the bottom, clear credentials. Tap on it, remove all credentials. Yep. Then if you have some kind of protection, so I have a pattern as you can see, I'll need to confirm it, draw it, and then credential storage is cleared, and basically the process is finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.